Today I'm reviewing the Hyggee Natural Repair Serum. And really quick, I just want to say, purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsor ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, join my Patreon community, or click on the link below. Okay, so I've been asked to review this one, and I'm so glad I picked this one up because I really end up loving this product overall. Lots of good ingredients in here. So they call this an anti-aging and whitening serum that vitalizes the dull skin with 10 root extracts filled with the energy of Mother Nature. Seaweed and Ascophyllum Nodosum extract conveys long-lasting moisture to the skin, shining the skin moistly. Polypeptide fills the skin with nourishing elasticity, strengthening and protecting the dry and sensitized skin healthily. Man, did I butcher that word. Ascophyllum Nodosum. I butchered it again. I think I said it as terribly as I did the first time, but anyway, somebody will correct me, I know. Okay, my first criteria is packaging. No issues with the packaging. Actually love the packaging, and the dark bottle protects it from exposure to light and air. In terms of denatured types of alcohol, it does contain t-Butyl alcohol. It's the fourth to last ingredient, so I did not penalize them for this because it is so, towards the very end of it, it is such a small amount. Almost won't be an issue for almost most people. And then in terms of fragrance, there's no fragrance or scent. The manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. So ease of use, so you can dispense a small amount after cleansing and toning, smooth it over skin, and then they say pat to absorb, but I found it absorbs pretty nicely. I found I like using this in my evening routine as well as my morning routine, but my morning routine I try and keep super simple. But if the Purito Centella and Scented Serum ever fails me, then this will become my go-to morning serum. Then I apply moisturizer after it. So it works nicely with other products, plays well with sunscreens, no issues with pilling, things like that. Sets to a natural finish, and it's not very sticky, so very easy to use, no issues at all with that. In terms of beneficial ingredients of this one, we've got a ton. We've got ginseng root, which is an antioxidant, also known to help with blood circulation and redness, and also has hydrating benefits. We've got niacinamide, great for skin barrier repair, antioxidant, anti-acne, skin brightening. We've got panthenol, which is skin soothing. We've got several different algae extracts, which generally are great for skin conditioning and also protecting benefits for skin. We've got kelp, or seaweed, which is also great for skin conditioning. We've got ascorbic acid peptides, which is an antioxidant. It's basically vitamin C combined with a peptide for good skin conditioning benefits and antioxidant benefits. We've got Lactobacillus ferment, which is a soothing ingredient, anti-inflammatory and anti-acne. We've got licorice root extract, which is great for brightening skin and soothing it. Centella, great for soothing, hydrating, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. We've got, skullcap root, which is a good skin soothing, hydrating, antioxidant ingredient. We've got Japanese knotwood. I've never seen that in another product before, but it's a good antioxidant. We've got serine and glutamic acid, which are skin identical ingredients as well as skin conditioning. Sesame seed extract, skin conditioning and soothing ingredient. We've got Sephora root extract, which is an antioxidant. We've got green tea extract. We've got black cohost, which is an antioxidant. That's another ingredient I haven't seen before. White mulberry, which is skin conditioning. We've got peony extract, which is skin conditioning. We've got something called fu-tea root, which is skin conditioning. It's another ingredient I'd never heard of. Aspartic acid, as well as leucine, alanine, lysine, arginine, valine, phenylalanine, proline, and histidine, which are all amino acids and skin conditioning ingredients. We've got German chamomile extract, which is an antioxidant and skin soothing. Adenosine, cell communicating ingredient. We've got cocoa extract, which is a hydrating and skin conditioning ingredient. And finally, polyglutamic acid, which is a hydrating ingredient. Whew. It's a lot of ingredients in a little product. So if you tend to have skin that has allergies or reacts to certain ingredients, this might not be the best. It's kind of like It Cosmetics, where they have like the world's longest ingredient list. They throw everything in there. This one is that. But all the ingredients in there have a good purpose. So unless you're very sensitive or easily react to something, it's probably not going to be an issue. Okay, in terms of animal testing, I found that Hyggee is cruelty-free, so no issues with that. Performance, I really like this serum. Really great ingredient list. I love the variety of the purposes of the ingredients. We've got soothing ingredients, skin conditioning ingredients, skin protecting ingredients, antioxidants, brightening ingredients. We've got all the works. So if you have a minimal routine but want a lot of good things in your routine, this one might be the product for you. It's got everything thrown in there that you could ever want in a product. In terms of acne-prone skin, it's pretty friendly. It's got a long ingredient list and only 2 ingredients of note, Simethicone and carbomer. So, out of all that ingredient list, to only have 2 is pretty impressive. In terms of the price, it comes in 2 sizes. So this is their 1 ounce or 30 milliliter mini size. They also have a larger size. This one is almost done. So it's about $16. And I think the large size is around $30. So it's not very expensive at all. Then in terms of the it factor, I really enjoy this one. Great ingredients, a good variety of beneficial ingredients, no fragrance, affordable, well packaged, cruelty-free, hydrating. You can see it sets to a really natural finish on skin. Plays well with other products. I don't know what else I could want in a serum, to be honest. It's got everything I could want. So, anyway, with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one a 10. I love it. It's great. If you haven't tried it, I highly recommend checking it out. It's not ridiculously expensive either. So, Hyggee, I'm really loving this brand. I hadn't tried much from them up until their recent vegan sun cream, but I've been picking up more and more from them and loving most of what I've tried. So, everything I've tried so far, actually. So, anyway, I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to try this one out or if you've tried anything else out from Hyggee. Leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.